well, I was online, and you listen to the half-hour video, and when it got to the end of this one, it was so affordable. It's like, why not try it? Like the day before I started it, my blood sugar was 430, and it had been hovering over 300, and 430 is like a high for me. And then I started the kit. So just in that short period of time, my weight has come down, and my blood sugar one day went to 58 in the morning. And then I called my doctor, and she brought me in right away, and she said, well, you need to stop taking glipizide, which I was on a couple of different blood sugar medications. So I quit taking that, and now I'm hovering between 120 and 135 or so with my blood sugar, which to me is amazing. My husband's doing this with me. We've cut way back on our carbohydrates. He's lost probably 10 pounds, and I've been on low carb before, but it's never had this kind of an influence. We're trying to walk a little more, and he had cellulitis in his leg and was not able to walk at all. So he's doing better, but his leg is not swelling like it did. So he's doing better, and we're both happier. They took me off of the insulin, which they always say once you're on it, you can't get off, but they did, and I'm off of glipizide now. So I'm very excited about it, and I have been trying to share with anybody that'll listen.